Oh, the stink! What did you eat? Hello, my YouTube family. How is everyone doing tonight? It's been an interesting week. It's Friday night, and it's that kind of night. Why use a glass when you can drink out of the bottle? Anyway, I have an absurd amount of boxes to go through. I probably have 6 videos to film. I sincerely doubt I'm going to get through any more than 2 this evening. I'll have to try some more tomorrow, but I really am excited to get into my boxes and see what I got. I don't know what to do first. Alright, let's just do Ipsy, because Ipsy is the little baby bag Ipsy. This little guy is usually kind of one of my favorites to do because now it's $13. It started out at 10, it went to 12, now it's 13, and hold on, we have a visitor. Would you like to see the visitor? Well, maybe not. Do not scratch your mother. Do not growl at your mother. Be a good kitten. This is Winter Cat. She is normally a very, very good cat, but when she's not in the mood for things, boy, let me tell you. Thanks for gracing us with your presence for a minute. Anyway, this little bag, this Ipsy bag, this is for October 2021. I actually said it. I actually got the month and the year into my video, which I never do. As I said, $13. You're getting 5 samples and an occasional full size. Usually you will get like 1 full size item, either a brush or something like that. And traditionally, as I said, it's been one of my favorites because it's inexpensive enough that if it's not that great, I don't feel horrifically guilty. Excuse the makeup, I touched it up a little bit, but it's like 8 o'clock at night, and I've been up since 4:30 this morning. I'm freaking exhausted. My week has been, I just hope your week has been better. Let's put it that way. I also did get 1 add-on with this, only 1. I have been so good. I have not spent a lot of money in the add-ons. I got a couple of things that were repeats for me, not repeats. What's the word I'm looking for? Let me think about that for a minute. Refills? No. Things I need? Anyway, this is kind of stuffed in here. I want to find the card first so I can see what the theme is, but there's a big old thing and... Oy. Stop growling at your siblings. I'm guessing that the bag's here. It's a really cute bag. Oh my goodness. It does match the aesthetic of the plus size bag, but the texture of this is, I don't know, there's a little bit of texture on it, and the lips are raised and they're rubberized, which is a really cool feeling. And I don't know, it's kind of cute. And the lime green, I love it. And look at the little pull. It is a lipstick with the lime green tip to it. Very cute, very, very well done. Okay, so here is my card, and it appears maybe I ordered 2 add-ons, possibly. Anyway, I'm not going to look because in here is going to tell me what my items are. The first thing, let's just get this over with. There was something outside the bag. You do get to choose one of your products. The professional YouTuber that I am, don't mind me while I pet this, I never remember, and I think it makes it entertaining for us all that I can make a complete fool out of myself, and you know what I'm looking for, right? They're not on my head. Ow. Here they are. Ho, ho, ho. What a way to start off. Anyway, I have a brush, and it's a nice little cute packing brush, which I use them all the time. I try to mostly put like shimmer shades and things on with these, but a lot of times I have to use my finger. It really just depends on my mood. This is a Farrah brush, 45E short shading brush, and over here it says be beautiful, be you. I can't agree more with that sentiment. I do like the Farrah brushes. I do think they're overpriced in my opinion, but for the most part, most of the brushes that I've gotten have been nice, so I love getting brushes. I have an absurd amount of brushes. I don't know about you, but I haven't counted them lately, and I don't wanna. Anyway, let's see what this next thing is, and I can't tell. It says eye primer. I don't know what brand it is. Can I tell what brand it is? It says M2UNYC. I have a ton of eye primers because, I mean, let's face it, we have two eyeballs that go in the eye. Well, they're already in there. But I don't use it every single time. I have to admit I want to, but sometimes it's a step that I just don't have time for it. It looks like it's I'll say flesh tone, but I have to say my flesh tone because not everyone's flesh tone is this. It's on a little baby doe foot applicator. It seems like it's a rather thin formula, but it seems nice. I love the opacity of it because I do have some veining on my eyes, and you know, I'm going to be 51 years old, so there's a little bit of things going on this face. It feels very creamy, which I will probably like because of my dry eyelids. Those who have oily skin may not enjoy it, but it feels even a little bit silicone-y, which is interesting. I want to see like how that dries down, but again, I love the opacity of it. Okay, the next thing I have here is something bubble cleanser. Can't read it. It says Mindful Bubble Cleanse, Extra Clean, Activated Charcoal, and Bamboo Water. And it says CR Chasing Rabbits. I'm just getting the most interesting products. Well, if it's a bubble cleanser, that's gonna make me excited. It's very liquidy. And I think it has got a floral smell, gosh darn it. Oh, I can't wait to put some water on there and see what happens. It's very slick. That's the texture I'm trying to voice. The brain is not working. Oh, maybe I picked this. Yes, this is the Tatcha, the dewy skin cream. Winter just knocked something over, and I don't even want to go in there and find out what she knocked over. I'm going to pretend I didn't hear that cascade of items falling. Anyway, I do like Tatcha's products. I just think that they're overpriced, and that's why I don't go out and purchase them. But I do think that they have nice ingredients. Just I think it's more of a name thing. But I'm happy to have it because I enjoy it. If that is logical to any one of you. Well, this is a cute little package. I don't know what it is again. Got to replace these glasses. Cannot see anymore. It says Tipsy Lips Moisturizing Balm. How did they know? I really like the minty green packaging. Oh, how cute. Isn't that adorable? It's like a plastic, and it says number 01 Mojito. Ooh, I like mojitos. Oh, it's got that minty. It's got that minty mojito smell. Well, let's just do this, shall we? Oh, it feels really, really nice. I don't think it has a taste or anything, but I mean, I had lipstick on already, but it feels moisturizing. I like the packaging, love the scent, and okay, yay, that's nice. Before I go in and read about the products, let me just show you what else was in the bag. And then I have, as I said, that other bag of something that I got an add-on. They did have the Wonder Beauty. Look at how squished this is. I enjoy these, but I think that they are quite expensive. This is probably $25, and you get 5 in here. And I think I probably paid $12, so I don't like paying $5 for each pair because they're nice, but that's still a lot. But the $12, absolutely. I have this obsession with under eye gels and things like that, and so I use one not so much every day anymore, but at least 3 or 4 times a week. So I'm very happy about that. And then the other thing, I still can't think of the original word that I was looking for. I don't know. But I did need a new one of these. And And this is a great size. This was only $10, and I think it's 25 or more. What is it, pray tell, you say? This is the Beauty Blender Cleanser. Out of all of the cleansers that I've tried for my sponges, this one is the most effective. I like to use the cake cleanser for my brushes because of the ease of it, but when I'm washing a bunch of my beauty blenders, I love this. I do go through it really quickly, and I said to get it for only $10, I was like, yeah, even though I said I wasn't going to get add-ons, but that's kind of like a necessity because I got to keep my brushes clean, and I want to use things that don't cost as much as the retail, you know what I mean? Anyway, let's get into this. Of course, I mentioned it last time. I didn't even say it this time, but Pretty Wicked is the theme. I think they did a fabulous job on the bags. You know, is it the most important thing? No, but it's super fun. And I can't read this. Hold on. I'm sorry that it's so bright, but your girl cannot see. So the Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream is what it's called. There's also the Water Cream, which of course is not going to be, for me, as moisturizing as this one. There are ceramides in here that are going to reinforce your skin's barrier. I agree with that. Algae extract to help draw in moisture, and it has Japanese purple rice to give your skin a major glow. And as I said, the full size of this puppy is $68. Do you know if it was like $40, I would probably purchase it, but $68, I just have the hardest time pulling the trigger on it. So I'm extremely happy to have even this size because this will last me a little bit. Moving on. Oh God. One of my cats just pooped. Oh, the stink. What did you eat? Oh, and it's in the other room. Anyway, this is the M2U NYC Eye Primer in Nude. They say that it's the perfect canvas for your eyeshadow. The 2-in-1 formula grips whatever you layer on top of it for a flawless all-day wear. I said I do like the opacity. It still has some slip to it, so it's not drying down completely, but if you'll notice, it's not causing any dryness. I'm going to be very excited to try this tomorrow, so yay. And what's the full size of this? Oh, how nice. So I'm getting actually 2 full-size products because this is a full size. It retails for $8, and I have to tell you, if I can fall in love with this for $8 and not have to buy the ABH eyelid, wow, Leann. Use your words. Eyelid primer, eyeshadow, eye primer. We're just going to call it eye primer. Then I'm going to be happy. It's the Farah Short Shading Brush 45E Rose Gold Collection. Oh, I was going to say, where's it rose gold? I don't know. That doesn't look rose gold to me. That's just like a gold. That's not rose gold to me. I'm sorry. Rose gold has a pinky tone. This just has a goldish hue. I'm not really complaining. I'm just making a statement. Okay, the price of this brush is $10. I don't know. As I said, it feels soft. I'm looking forward to using it. I'll probably give it a go tomorrow. I had a bunch of new brushes to try, and I've kind of been enjoying them all. Although I must admit that I have been reaching for my refer brushes a lot. So this is from Sugar Cosmetics. Okay. So, thought it was Happy Lips. It's from Sugar Cosmetics, and the item is Happy Lips. Tipsy Lips Moisturizing Balm and Mojito. I'm not tipsy yet. I only had 2 swigs of wine from the bottle. The vitamin E, jojoba, and shea butter. They say that it has a yummy mojito flavor. I don't know if I taste anything. It has the scent of it. I would love it if it tasted like a mojito. That would be good too. And actually, this is a full size as well, and that's $8.99. So I've gotten 3 technically full-size products in this one. And then we have the Chasing Rabbits Mindful Bubble Cleanse. Alrighty, let's see what you are. So this ain't, it's not going to leave your skin dry. Let's just put it that way. It's made with mineral and nutrient-rich bamboo water to moisturize and help balance your skin while you wash away makeup, etc. It's a face wash. So obviously this is a sample, and the full size of it is $23. Now, I really actually like the bag. No real makeup products to speak of, but I don't think it's an obnoxious thing. I'm curious if it's going to add up to their supposed $50, but either way, I'm kind of happy. So I got the cleanser, I got the eye primer, the brush, a lip balm, which I'm happy about, and my favorite, of course, is going to be the Tatcha cleanser. So normally I would like to see some makeup in here, but again, the variety of products that I've personally received, am I happy spending my $13? Yes, I am, because of this guy. And you know, I'm looking at it all, I'm like, I like the variety, which is shocking to me, as I said, because I am a makeup heavy person. Yeah, I don't know. For some reason, I'm not bothered, and I actually like the bag. I would love to know your thoughts about my bag, because I know that I'm trying to catch up, guys. I'm very behind on my last few videos. As I said, I'm sorry that I get so mad at myself, because I love filming. I love talking to you guys. You're amazing, and I appreciate you so much, and I want to communicate back, but I don't feel well all the time. I'm not going to cry because I have more videos to film, but I hate not feeling good that I can't do what I love. I just have to work my 3 jobs and not be able to do the things that I love to do, and that just frustrates me. I'm sorry, I'm getting emotional, but I'm going to stop now, and what I would like to say is I would love to hear your thoughts on my particular bag. I would love to hear what you guys got, because there's so many varieties in these that you guys will tell me. I get shocked when you tell me that you're twinning on this, because there's a bunch of varieties. Of course, if you want to meow at me in the comments, that would make me happy too, and some of you have, and that makes me really, really happy. Okay, this was just a weird video. Was I weird? I'm sorry, I'm weird. Am I weird? Yes, I'm weird. I love you guys. As I said, I always tell you that you're amazing, and you have no idea what you guys and this channel means to me. So just please remember that. And if you didn't think I was completely off my rocker and you would like to join this family, that would be amazing, and I would appreciate you too. A thumbs up or a thumbs down just really helps me out, and I do appreciate it. But if you don't want to, that's okay. You watched, and I appreciate you anyway. Most importantly, my friends, whatever part of the world you're in on around, I hope you're having an amazing day. I really hope that you have an amazing week coming up. I will see you really soon. Let's see how many I can get done. If you see this outfit a lot, you know that I had a lot of energy to finish. I love you guys. Bye.